well, Gail. Thank you very much. Now there's a little adjustment quickly. We can't keep our resource person, the guest speaker, waiting, considering how busy both his office and schedule is. So a man who can take yours immediately after we must have heard from our guest speaker. Permit me at this point to introduce just very brief profile of our guest speaker. Dear Rector, the deputy, the directors, deans, distinguished colleagues and participants standing before us here this very morning is a distinguished Nigerian, a distinguished scholar, a professor of international repute. I'm talking about Professor Oguzie, who is a distinguished scientist, a research strategist, an academic leader specializing in material science, electrochemistry, and sustainable energy systems. This is not for me the first time of meeting this erudite scholar, because we've had an opportunity of interacting with him intellectually in this very institution when he prepared us in same manner. Currently, the Deputy Vice Chancellor for Research, Development and Innovation at the Federal University of Technology, Owerri, Nigeria, who has spearheaded a remarkable increase, over 1,000% in the university's externally sourced research funding. That's not an easy task. Our most distinguished resource person, Professor Oguzie, also serves as the Director of the Africa Center of Excellence for Future Energies and Electrochemical Systems as fuels. Put your hands together for him, which is a leading pioneering research in clean energy technologies, advanced batteries, corrosion protection, and natural product-based materials innovations. A dedicated mentor who has mentored over 40 PhD students. His scholarly contributions include over 250 peer-reviewed publications, amassing more than 13,000 citations with an H index of 57. If you're a publisher and your work has not been credited to this level, you are a beginner. Bottom butter, right or wrong? Because this reflects his significant impact in the scientific community. His leadership continues to empower institutions and researchers across Africa, fostering excellence in grant-winning research and innovations. This is just to make it brief. But I'm sorry I'm making the citation so brief for such a person who is not in any way brief. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is our own resource person, Prof, with much precision, sir. Hello?
Hello, yeah. So thank you very much. Good afternoon, distinguished colleagues. First, I would like to recognize the Rector, Dr. Mrs. Basilia Igbokwe, who is very ably represented by Dr. A.C. Madu, who has been my host for the past 1 hour. Right? Very interesting talk we had today. Many similarities too. He told me how he had to go and do his PhD in the University of Calabar based on politics. my same experience. My PhD was in Calabar too. And that's where my eyes, or my awareness on this job was created. Thank you very much. The Director of Research, Dr. Abana, when she came to my office with Professor Igbokwe, I used to be Director of Research in Futo. And Professor Igbokwe took over that office from me. So when he brought her to my office, I said, this small girl, Director of Research in Poly, why did they choose you? I saw her passion and I saw her interest. I told her I will work with her. Anything she wanted, I will give her. Because from my own experience, the success in quotes we've made in Futo started from the work some of us did when we were directors of research. So she has a very big portfolio, lots of responsibilities, and she has started very well. Congratulations. Thank you. I'd like to recognize, I've been here, this is my third visit to this place to give a talk. So it's always an honor and a pleasure. Recognize briefly my student, Dr. Leono, who has, he's been my student since his first degree. Right? Also recognize my sister, Barrister D, from my village, there in Olo. So thank you very much. So I will talk to you today, share with you some experiences we have in Futo. So the Rector said that there was a secret that you will learn from me today. That secret is a simple secret. Having success in research, can you put up this light so that you can see the slide better?